Many organizations want to compartmentalize access to contracts. There are 4 ways to restrict access to contracts or to otherwise limit features to certain users: groups, roles, document access, and task workflow assignments. Groups are the cornerstone of contract access in Lextree. To limit access to contracts requires 3 steps. Step 1, create a group. Navigate to Settings, then Users and Groups, then Groups. Select the Add button to enter a name for your group. Step 3, add users to the group. Navigate to Settings, then Users and Groups, then Users. Select an existing user or add a new user. Click in the Groups field and select the group you created in Step 1. Step 3, assign a contract to a group. Navigate to Contracts. To assign a new contract to a group, click in the Group field on the Add Contract form. Choose one or more groups from the list. To modify the groups to which a contract is assigned, view the contract from the Contracts page. Select the Groups button at the top of the Contract Details page. Click in the box to see the list of available groups. Important note: a user can only assign contracts to groups in which the user is already a member. For example, if Fred is not assigned to the super secret group in Step 2, then Fred cannot assign a contract to the super secret group in Step 3. Fred will not even see that as an option. Roles. Roles control what users can do in Lextree. Admin users may review, add, and update user roles for any user at Settings, then Users and Groups, then Users. User roles determine which functions are available to each user when viewing records. The following are descriptions of each user role. Admin views, adds, and edits users, groups, and lookups. Editor views, adds, and edits records in assigned groups. Reader views records in assigned groups. Readers cannot make changes to contract records. They can only view the data. Requester views, adds, and edits contract and document requests. Important note: there is no relationship between groups and roles. In Lextree, admin users do not have access to all contracts unless they are added to each group. Document access. You can also restrict user access to documents when you create or edit a user by choosing No to the Document Access prompt on the user form. Task workflows. When you create workflows in Lextree, you can choose which users can access the workflows. To make a workflow available to a user, select it in the Task Workflows field. Only users who have the requester role will show the Task Workflows field.